Sons of Anarchy's final season got off to a bloody start as Jax took revenge on the Lin Triad member Gemma claimed she saw leaving his house the night Tara was killed. Below, creator Kurt Sutter, who wrote the episode, takes you inside the turns, and executive producer Barclay, who directed the premiere, tells us about shooting that final scene, and shares 2 photos from the set. How did you decide Gemma would pin the murder on the Chinese? Sutter: I knew that Gemma would get the information for the lie from Juice, so it had to be something that Juice was privy to, and to me, it made the most sense, because Gemma's not going to do something that puts Nero at odds. So she's not going to blame it on Brown. Lin was sort of the last man standing,